How much is it to rent a U-Haul pickup truck? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can figure out how much it costs to rent a U-Haul pickup truck. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to rent a U-Haul pickup truck, it's actually quite very simple and you want to figure out the cost. For this, you can head over to the website, uhaul.com of course, and then you don't have to sign in or do anything. Make sure trucks and trailers is selected here. Select your pickup location from where you would like to pick up the truck. You don't have to enter the drop-off location, that's completely optional, but if you prefer that, you can do that as well. And you can enter the pickup date. Now to get the rates, all we have to do is just tap the get rates option that you can find here. And as you do that, U-Haul will automatically calculate it using its automated process of how much it's actually going to cost. So you can see a pickup truck I can get for as low as $19.95 US per day. And if I want to cover an extra mile on a day, it will cost me $0.79. If I get extended days and miles and special rates, then I can select that as well. But for a pickup truck, as you can see here, it just cost me $19.95. And this way you can figure out how much is it to rent a U-Haul pickup truck. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.